Let's have a quick recap of what we've discussed today. We started to analyze how the DAX queries are built. We checked what components make up a DAX expression. What would the DAX query accept? What would the DAX query return? DAX query would accept all the operators and it would return either a scalar or a tabular value. In certain scenarios, like we observed, it would only take or accept a column to begin with as one of the arguments. We saw DAX query having functions. We saw functions can take 0 or more arguments. We saw how to filter the data in one of the HR example, wherein the filter technique is used to exclude certain rows and only use the remaining rows for further analysis. We checked what does sum mean. We checked how does calculate come into picture. We saw how these all expressions when put into Power BI helps us make our own organization or dashboard or Power BI specific formulas. DAX expressions are the body, whereas there are definite parts to the DAX expression which are given to us by Power BI. There are functions. At the same time, these queries will help us give a better formula. So this is how DAX is a building block of Power BI dashboard. We also saw how those DAX expression map back to the dashboard. We also saw how to have the DAX expression filtered, if not via the filter attribute in the query, then by using the slicers. All in all, this is all about DAX in Power BI. Next session would be the concluding session of our study, wherein we would check some cheat sheets for Power BI in terms of development, in terms of standards, and then we'll move on to a good project. Thank you and happy learning.